In this video, we are going to learn about approximation or rounding of numbers to nearest 10, 100 and 1000 places. So let's start with rounding off to nearest 10. So when we are rounding off to nearest 10 place, we will check the digit in the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, we will change the digit in the tens place by 1, or we will add 1 to the tens place digit. So here in this question we have, in the tens place we have 3 and in the ones place we have 6. Now 6 is more than 5, so the tens place digit will become 3 plus 1, that equals to 4. So the number after rounding off is 40. Next, 465. Again, we are rounding off to tens place, so we will check the digit in the ones place. It is 5. Now 5, as I have said, if the number is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the tens place will increase by 1. So the digit in the tens place was 6, it will become 7. Hence, the number after rounding off to nearest 10th place will be 470. Now the number given is 372. So we'll check again the digit in the ones place, which is 2, and 2 is less than 5. So there will be no change in the digit that is in the tens place. So the ultimate answer is 370. There will be no change in the 100 place as we are asked to round off to nearest 10th place. Next, round off to nearest 100. When we are rounding off to nearest 100, we will check the digit in the tens place. If the digit in the tens place is 5 or more than 5, then again there will be 1 added to the digit in the 100 place. So the number given is 528. Now checking the digit in the tens place, we can see that it is 2, which is less than 5. Therefore, there will be no change in the digit in the 100 place. Hence, the number we get after rounding off is 500. Next, 1760. Now again check the tens place, which is having 6, which is more than 5. So there will be the digit in the 100 place will increase by 1. Therefore, our answer will be 1800. Now, round off to nearest 1000. Now, when we are rounding off to nearest 1000, we will check the digit in the 100 place. So, where is the 100 place? In this question, we have 5487. In the 100 place, we have 4. Now, 4 is less than 5. Hence, there will be no change in the thousands place, or no, it will remain 5. So, after rounding off, our answer will be 5000. Next, 12,580. So we'll check the hundreds place, which is having 5. And as we know that if the digit is 5 or more than 5, there will be change in the thousand place. So the thousand place is having 2, which will be increased by 1 now. So after rounding off, the answer will be 13,000. I hope this is clear for you. Let's now start with the exercise. Exercise 1D, the first question. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest 10. So when we are converting or rounding off the number to nearest 10, we will always check the units place or the ones place. Now check the units place. It's having 4, which is less than 5. So there will be no change in the tens place. So our answer will be 50. Again, 2793. We are having 3 in the units place. So 3 is less than 5. Again, no change in the tens digit in the tens place. So our answer will be 2790 or 2790. Fifth question, 12,345. Checking the units place or ones place, we have 5. Hence, there will be a change in the tens place. That is, will increase the digit in the tens place by 1. So we'll have 12,350. Moving on to the next question. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest 100. Now we know that when we are rounding off to nearest 100, we need to check the tens place. Here in the tens place we have 2, which is less than 5. So the digit in the 100 place will remain same. So answer is 900. Again, 41,263. So we'll check the digit in the tens place, which is 6, which is more than 5. So our 100 digit in the 100 place will increase by 1. So our answer will be 41,300. Next, 5,549. Now checking the tens place, we have 4, which is less than 5. So there will be no change in the digit which is in the hundreds place. So our answer will be 5,500. Next, question number 3. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest 1,000. So rounding off to 1,000 place, that means we have to check the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, we have 3, which is less than 5. So there will be no change in the thousands place. So our answer will be 7,000. Again, checking the hundreds place, which is having 8, and it is more than 5. So our thousands place will increase by 1. So our answer will be 24,000. Question number 4. Find the approximate sum to the nearest 10. First, we'll convert each of this number to nearest 10 and then we'll add and find the result. So 72, now 2. If you're rounding off to nearest 10, again we'll be checking the units place. In the unit place, we have 2, which is less than 5. So after rounding off to nearest 10, the result will be 70. 37, rounding off to nearest 10. So 37, 7 is more than 5. So it will become 40. So the required sum is 70 plus 40, that equals to 110. The next two questions I have given you, that is your homework. Next, question number 5. Find the approximate sum to the nearest 100. Now converting these two numbers into nearest 100. So 347, see the tens place, which is having 4, which is less than 5. Hence, after rounding off, this number will become 300. 476, in the tens place we have 7. After rounding off, it will become 500. 7 is more than 5, so the digit in the 100 place will increase by 1. So it has become 500. Now the required sum is 300 plus 500, that equals to 800. In each question, I have done one for you and rest I have given as homework. Follow the same procedure. I am sure you will be able to do the sums. Question number 6. Find the approximate sum to the nearest 1,000. Now, converting each of this number to nearest 1,000, what we need to do is we will check the hundreds place. So here in the hundreds place we have 7, which is more than 5. So we'll get the number as 44,000. 36,275. In the 100 place we have 2. So there will be no change in the thousands place. So the number we'll get after rounding off is 36,000. By adding this two number, our answer is 80,000. Next, question number 7. Find the approximate difference to the nearest 10. Now it is similar to the addition only. 186. Now since we are rounding off the number to nearest 10, we will be checking the units place or ones place. So in the ones place we have 6, which is more than 5. So it will become 9. The digit in the unit place will become 9. So after rounding off, it will become 190. And the next number is 49. Now again in the unit place we have 9, which is more than 5. So this number will become 50. Now difference between these two, that is 190 minus 50, will get 140 as the answer. Next, question number 8. Find approximate difference to the nearest 100. Again, 769 and 435. So nearest 100 we have to round off. So we will check the tens place. Here in the tens place we have 6, which is more than 5. So the digit in the hundred place will increase by 1. So after rounding off, we'll get 800. 435. Check the tens place. It is having 3, which is less than 5. So the digit in the hundred place will remain same. So we'll get 400 after rounding it off. So the required difference is 800 minus 400, that is 400. In question number 9, you have to round it off to nearest 1000. You can check the hundreds place and see whether it is 5 or more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, you will increase the thousand place by 1. If it is less than 5, it will remain same. Question number 10. Find the product rounding off to nearest 10. Now again, rounding off to nearest 10, check the ones place. We have 9, which is more than 5. So it will become 50. And the second number is 72. We have 2 in the ones place, which is less than 5. So the number will be 70. Now the product of this two, 15 to 70, it's simple, just multiply 5 into 7 and 5. So 7 5s are 35 and we'll include these 2 zeros. So our answer will be 3500. Next, question number 11. Estimate the product by rounding off to nearest 100. So to round off the number to nearest 100, we need to check the tens place. So 265. So in the tens place we have 6, which is more than 5. So the 100 place will become 2 plus 1, that is 3. So rounding off the number will get 265 as 300. And 334, in the tens place we have 3, which is less than 5. So there will be no change in the digit in the hundreds place. So it will remain as 300. Therefore, the product of the two number, that is 300 into 300. So 3 3s are 9 and rest count the zeros and include it. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros we have written back to back. So our answer is 90,000. Question number 12. Find the approximate quotient. That means we have to divide the number. 86 divided by 27. Now if I round off 86 to the nearest tens place, we have 6 in the ones place. So which is more than 5. So this number will be rounded off to 90. 27, 7 in the ones place. So again we can round off 27 as 30. So if I divide 90 divided by 30, 3 is the answer. Suppose I am talking about this question number 2, which is given, sorry, I repeated. This is going to be question number 3 and 4. In this question, 286 divided by 25. We will convert this 286, or we'll round off this 286 to the nearest 100 place and round off this 25 to the nearest tens place and then divide. It might happen that in every division you would not get the number in the question would not be a whole number. It might come that the question may be a decimal. So you can do the homework, practice this exercise at home. Thank you.